Alright, so for today, on today's agenda, my goal is to put this Honda Cub back together. I'm just going to do a quick walk around to show what it looks like under the plastics. These things have a lot of weird, I don't know if you call them plastics or coverings or fairings or what you want to call them, but the whole bike is just covered. I'm going to walk around this way, kind of show the condition. I always get a kick out of the forks and stuff because you see a lot of adults riding these and they're actually pretty. Now hold on. A lot of people say the Honda Cub is the ultimate pit bike. I guess that depends on what you do with your pit bike. Because by the looks of these forks, I don't think it's the ultimate pit bike in today's pit bike standards as far as with jumping and stuff like that goes. I don't know. What do you think?
It's not much of a performer.
She's more of a looker. Now, I'm going to shine her up.
Okay, I got it.
Alright, got the 93 Cub. I feel like we went back in time here.